What's going on, everybody? Homegrown how to. In this video we're going to be unboxing and assembling the new Toro 60V SnowMaster. Super stoked on this thing. I am super hyped to announce that I have partnered up with Toro. This is something I've wanted for quite a while. I've used Toro mowers pretty much my whole life, and now we're going into their snowblowers. So I'm super stoked on this. I live in Utah and we always have pretty harsh winters, especially last year we had a record snowfall, and they are kind of expecting more of the same this year. Enough talking, let's bust into this thing, see what it's all about. Toro's got very good detailed instructions with visual images so that you can install this very easily. Alright y'all, now that we've got the Toro assembled, let's go ahead, check out some of its features, and give all the details. So this did come with a 60V 10 amp hour battery, so a really high quality battery there. Let's get her inserted here. You do have the option for placing 3 batteries in here. You've got one here, and then down here you've got a slot for the third. Now with this one 10 amp hour battery, Toro states that this blower should clear a 20 stall parking lot. So that is a ton of space. Go ahead, get this bad boy turned on here. Now to control the chute, you also don't have to worry about any sort of hand cranking. This is beautiful. Look at this. This is called their quick stick here. You got this little lever here. So you push this forward and back, and that changes the angle of the snow chute there. And then you've also can change this left and right as well. So very easy, very convenient. That thing is money. I don't have to worry about any sort of hand crank when using this. So this makes for a much quicker, much more convenient control as well. The snowblower does also feature the personal pace technology that Toro has with their lawnmowers, so that is freaking awesome as well. I don't have to worry about my snowblower pulling me around or anything like that. I don't have to walk at the pace of the snowblower. I get to walk at my own pace with this simple, easy technology. Plus, guys, another added bonus of the Toro 60V line, I don't have to worry about changing any oil, spark plugs, messing with carburetors, all that kind of crap. All I got to do to summarize this thing, make sure the battery's not in it. Clean it off, and we're good to go until the next year. So guys, stay tuned for more information on this Toro 60V SnowMaster. So I'm not able to get to use this thing today, unfortunately, so I'm gonna just be kind of waiting around, waiting for some snow. Typically I'm dreading the snow, but I'm actually super hyped to get some snow on the ground so I can use this thing. So guys, be sure to check out the Toro 60V SnowMaster. I'm super hyped on this thing. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.